Get ready for a delightful treat with my best banana muffins recipe. Let's start by making the oat flour, which is a pretty simple process. Just grind instant oats in a food processor until they are your desired texture. I like mine a little more coarse. If you prefer a more flour-like texture, just grind longer. Now add your oat flour to all-purpose flour along with baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. Give it a good whisk to ensure it's evenly mixed. The reason why I love this recipe is because it's an amazing way to use overripe bananas. They're actually perfect for this recipe because they add sweetness and moisture. In a small bowl, take your ripe bananas and mash them with a fork until they are no longer in large pieces. Add in white sugar, egg, and vegetable oil. Mix everything together until it's well incorporated. Now gently add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredient mixture. Be careful not to overmix. The key is to fold them together. So instead of a circular motion, scoop underneath the mixture and pull gently. A few small streaks of flour are okay, just make sure there are no large pockets of flour. Put about 3 tablespoons of muffin batter in each muffin cup, place in a preheated 350-degree oven, and in about 25 minutes you'll be ready to enjoy. Remember, this recipe is available at Chynabsweets.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy baking!